this coronavirus is in our life. Today I'm going to speak about four important subjects, which are, first of all, Questura, second of all, Commission, third of all, Court, an appeal, and finally, the possibility of the Italian government to give documents to people without documents, which is mean sanatoria in Italian. This is called sanatoria. Let's start for the first part. Questura. As you know, every office in the government has been closed. Questura, commission, court, everything has been closed. Until now, they are going to remain closed. None of the government offices knows when they are going to open. Okay? It will depend of the condition of the country. If people respect rules, social distance, and the level of people sick remains low, probably this they will open again their offices. So until now, there is no formal data or information telling us when they are going to open. As you know now, we are in part 2, so we hope after the 18th May, we're going to see how things have developed. According to that, government will give us again new information in order to know if these offices are open or not. So, what are they going to do until now? For Questura, I know a lot of people do not have their permesso di soggiorno, their resident permit. So, Questura has said that all the people who their permesso di soggiorno expires after the 23 February 2020, okay, all those people, their permesso di soggiorno can last automatically until the 31 August. You can work with this permesso di soggiorno, and if there's anybody who's asking you they will need to renew the permesso di soggiorno, you can tell them easily, contact Questura, call them, because they don't have public front office, but they do have back office, so they can receive calls and they can assure the people who you are working for that you are legal in Italy. Okay, what will happen with the people who their permesso di soggiorno expired before the 23rd February 2020? All those people, they can contact the responsible of the community, or also they can contact me, and we can ask your lawyers or a lawyer to ask Questura to renew your permesso di soggiorno. Okay? This is very important. Second part, commission. Unfortunately, commission is not opened now. Okay? For all the people who needed to go on April or May, they will send a specific email to that person to know if they are going or they aren't going. For the people in April, they have postponed it and they haven't given any data at all. Okay? Instead, for the people who are going in May, please, for the people who are going in May, Commission will communicate to us. So as soon as we will have information, we are going to tell you. To be honest, I deeply think that the offices will not open, not until June. But this is my personal vision, okay? The same thing about court or appeal. Right now, it depends of each case, it depends of each judge, okay, to know whether your appeal is going or not. Some lawyers are just, anybody can go now, on May, nobody's going to trial. Trial and courts are all closed. So in some cases they postponed the date. In some cases instead they just ask the lawyer to write down the last news about your case, okay? And they are just going to examine your case with what the lawyer has said, okay? Fourth, about the opportunity of having documents, I guess you all have heard that now the Italian government is trying to give documents to people who are not working, okay? First of all, be careful. Until now, there is no law at all that says that they are going to give documents to people who do not have documents. So if any lawyer or any person comes to you telling you I can give you documents, give me money, this is not correct, this is not valid, this is a trap. Okay? So, also as soon as possible we will know how this law is going to be, I am going to inform you. But please, remember that we don't know how it is going to be. If it's going to be only for people who would like to work in agriculture or only for people who are taking care of old people, we don't know that. Okay? And also we don't know how you, because most of you are asylum seekers, it means are people, you all people have documents, temporary documents 6 months, but these are documents. We don't know if you actually can ask for the government documents to work in agriculture. Remember that this is for people who do not have documents at all. Okay, at all. So, as soon as this law will be out, we are going to explain you, we are going to do a message like this, explaining you whether you have the possibility to enter in this sanatoria, okay, or not.